I wasn't totally sure what to expect from this event, to be honest. Usually I'm really picky about the couple of events that I pick each year to go and to attend, for networking purposes or even just for learning. And I usually like to leverage larger events because there's just so many people and there's so many different tracks or topics. And so this one being a smaller, more intimate event, I was a little bit on the fence about whether or not it'd be worth it. But I definitely feel like it's been awesome. The content's been fantastic. It's helping me kind of stretch a little bit of my comfort zones in a couple of different topics. One topic in particular that's really, I think, resonated is just kind of the benefits of breadth over depth, and it's a good challenge. I've really prided myself in expertise in certain specific things, and being faced with new research and different data that shows that breadth is just as important, and just kind of getting out there and trying different things and working in other areas of the business could be something maybe positive for me to explore in my career progression.